Its log bucking operation with a computerized scanning system developed and installed by Simco Ramic, a subsidiary of Quantic Industries. The system virtually eliminates guesswork in calculating efficient bucking solutions and further provides management with invaluable data on a daily, hourly, and even minute-by-minute basis. Built to withstand the rugged conditions of heavy operation in a major mill, this Simco Ramic installation has performed reliably for over a year. Computer controls begin at the debarking station, where an operator enters any of 5 separate log species. As the logs leave the debarker, the diameter of each one is accurately measured at both the leading and trailing end to within 1/2 inch. This is accomplished with a scanner consisting of vertically aligned photoelectric cells whose beam paths are interrupted by the passing log. The spacing of the cells determines the resolution of the scanner, which is built to customer order. Data collected from this scanner, as well as a length scanner located further down line, is continuously transmitted to a computer and hard copy printer. Nearly instantaneous calculations produce a record of maximal bucking solutions for each log. Preferred solutions for highest profit on return may be reprogrammed by the operator at any time using a simple keyboard entry system at the printer. This renders the system totally flexible. The bucking solution record for each log includes species, length, leading and trailing end diameter, long log scale, projected short log scale, available trim, and projected volume to the chipper. Other information that is calculated automatically and accessible at any time includes piece count and scale by length and diameter in increments of 1 inch, and a complete summary report. This data has proven its value many times over in increasing Medford Corporation profits. It includes total piece count, total lineal feet, total long log scale, average log length, diameter, and scale, and finally, the total cubic feet that went to the chipper. All data is available for each of 5 species, as well as piece count and scale by length for each peeler block size. So that none of this critical data is ever lost, the computer is backed up by a battery-safeguarded memory for complete protection against power failure. At the buck saw station, 2 video monitors provide the operator with appropriate bucking solutions and a 5-camera bird's eye view of the trailing end of each log. By using 2 monitors, one live and the other fed by the computer, Simco Ramic has built ease of use and important safeguards into its system. First, the computer monitor displays the alignment and bucking solution of the incoming log, pertinent data, and a self-diagnostic check of the scanning system. The bucking solution display includes log length and species, diameters as a line, appropriate cuts, and the amount of residual trim. Block size, saw curve, and butt or second cut data are also utilized by the computer in determining the solution. Knowing whether the log is approaching small or large end first assures the operator of the ability to cut residual trim from the small end and deliver blocks with maximum roundup diameters. Another benefit of the Simco Ramic system is that it displays the leading and trailing end diameter of the next 4 logs to be cut in sequence. If a log is thrown out of sequence on the cutting deck, the operator can see this from his booth and check it against the data displayed on the monitor. He may then adjust a cursor to the proper diameter for this log. After its length is measured and solution determined, the system will reset itself in proper sequence. Another safeguard of the Simco Ramic system is the optical design of its length scanner. This assures the operator that despite possible slippage on the conveyor belt, all logs will be accurately measured to within 1 inch. In addition, the status of all photoelectric cells in both the length and diameter scanners is displayed on the monitor for continuous diagnostic check. Finally, all pertinent log data and run totals are displayed for continuous reference. This includes diameters, long log scale, projected block scale and trim loss, and total run long count, long scale, block count, and block scale. Taken together, the data and safeguards built into this Simco Ramic installation have significantly boosted Medford Corporation efficiency and profits. Medco Lumber Superintendent Rick Hogue estimates the savings to the corporation are over $250,000 per year. Reduced manpower and increased log recovery, coupled with the important management data produced by the system, made it pay for itself in less than 3 months. Simco Ramic is thankful to have served Medford Corporation and proud of its endorsement.